And finally, David, what is your dream scenario?
I think, a couple things. From the invasive species standpoint, which I deal with a lot, we still struggle in this country, in every country, to detect things before they actually get on land. And, if there was a goal for me, it would be we have so much stuff that comes over in those big shipping containers, right? It would be great if there was something like a Tide Pod, right? One of those little soap pockets you could just throw in a container and it would kill whatever invasive species was in there. By the time it got to wherever it was going, by the time it got to the US or to Europe or to Argentina, it would be sterile. If there was that type of thing that everyone could just chuck a Tide Pod into a container before it shipped, and that would eliminate the possibility of invasive species, that would be absolutely amazing. It would also be amazing if they could find some sort of biological control agent that would wipe out some of these non-natives, but specifically them. And like if there was a virus that hit emerald ash borer that just all of a sudden came and just spread through North America and wiped them out, I think that'd be great. Right now, I'm not for wiping out EAB in China. I mean, that's where it's from, right? It should be there. That's cool. But as far as over here, the destruction, like if there was something that happened that would just cause widespread elimination of some of these really bad invasives, we spend so much time and so many resources dealing with it. Those efforts and that money could be spent for some really great stuff if we weren't constantly battling these things like Asian longhorn beetle, emerald ash borer, laurel wilt. You could use that money for such great things if it wasn't constantly getting sucked up by these big invasive species.